so it's Ramadan day 6 and the Saima's dinner iftar. I've cooked at home though. Made sure that my husband has his iftar and then I came. Right, Auntie's such a good wife, right? Yeah. Saima's cheating a bit because Auntie's cooking everything and she's just
everything.
Okay, what did you make, Auntie?
I just cooked dal and keema for her.
Oh, that's basically the main thing. Yeah. Auntie, we need to see your beautiful face.
Okay.
Your خوبصورت face.
I am
तू शर्मेगी शर्म करे है अच्छा Let's see the outfit, please.
Not the shoes.
Okay, okay, yeah, the chavvy shoes. Put the chavvy shoes away. Yes, that's Simon's outfit. So you're doing mocktails. Wow, you went all out.
Well, we're trying.
Kind.
We're trying.
That's the only thing that you've done today.
Shut up.
I wanted to know where people get. Do you know we say Drastakhan is where you put something on the floor where everybody sits down? It's like the plasticky thingy.
Yeah.
Yeah, where'd you get it from?
Dastarkhan.
Yeah.
I think it's Asian concept.
I'm gonna try and get one. Let's see how she makes the mocktails.
The rest of it's downstairs. I've already made it. It's in the fridge.
Oh, so how'd you make it?
So I boiled some water with some sugar.
Really?
Let it cool.
Yes.
And blended raspberries, strawberries, and
Wow, so it's a real.
I have tried. I don't know what it's actually going to
Right.
taste like. It might taste rubbish.
I just went like once to Las Iguanas and they just put like fizzy soda water, ice and some syrup.
Well, we'll see
And you like put a raspberry on top and be like, hey, here's your mock day.
blackberries.
Oh, there we go.
Hi, Danica. I should have had your mum first for you. Hello! Oh my gosh! Stranger! Do you know what? This is a copper top I got in London. It's very nice. It's very tight though. So. No, it doesn't look it. Oh, thanks. It looks beautiful.
What can I help with, Auntie? Anything I can help with? Thanks.
Auntie, you didn't say anything about me.
Let's take the drinks out. Maliha, don't be jealous, okay?
This is healthier.
She didn't. You know what, Auntie? You should. Whenever you invite someone, Simon should have given a dress code.
Yeah.
Anyone a dress code?
Why is everyone an Asian then? So, update. Saima didn't tell me that everyone's coming in Asian clothes, and I'm the only one in this. Even Zaya put Asian clothes on. Show the sleeves. The sleeves are life. Yes. Oh. I feel so uncomfortable now.
Why, Maliha?
I'm in non-Asian clothes.
Oh, it doesn't matter. Why?
Oh.
Can you not zoom in on my face?
Shut up, Zaya. I haven't seen Zoe in how long? Ages. It's been too long. She's just such a flaky witch. So, but it's okay. We're oh, I just bashed my head against Zoe's. Hosting iftar today. Hi, Cassie. Cassie's fasting. Yes. Hi, everybody. Sabina's arrived too. How cute. Bismillah wala barakatullahi. Take your kajur.
Thank you. Let me grab a tissue.
Yeah, we've broken our fast. Yeah, alhamdulillah. Hello! Long time no see.
Okay, yeah. Strawberry, raspberry,
Bude.
Well, you should be wearing a scarf as well on your head.
Do you drop coffee?
She is so choppy today. Oh my god. Looks so good. So Simon's pasta bake. Let's see if it's any good.
That's enough.
Nice one. It is really nice. Simon made this. How unbelievable does this look? Cassie made the Kinder Egg cheesecakes. Oh my goodness. And are these homemade?
Yeah.
No.
You made the cheesecake.
You're lying.
They're not lying.
You're lying. Really?
Yeah.
You lie. How good does this look?
No.
Oh my god. Sim, the food was lovely.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for a lovely iftar. Love you. See you soon. Bye.
See you soon.
Okay, so it's 1 a.m. I've just come home and I'm whispering because all my husband and son are sleeping, and my husband wakes up to even a little creak, so I'm whispering. Anyways, it's been having a good day. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Look, here's your Kinder Egg. Look. Here's the Kinder Egg. Look. There we go. There's a cheesecake Kinder Egg. That's from Simon. Say thank you, Simon.
Thank you, Simon.
Leave us alone. Leave us alone.
Leave us alone.
You got into one of your videos.
Okay, fine. Fine then.
Very strange videos.
So this is the mood when Daddy is fasting. And this is Caleb's mood.
You're dirty. Very dirty.
Oh. I'm going to get Caleb something to eat. And then we're going to Asda, yeah. We're going to Asda because today I've decided that I'm taking a break from cooking. And we're just gonna get some pizza for iftar. But I'm making dessert. So I went to McDonald's for Caleb because the only thing halal that he can have is a veggie wrap.
I have.
And the only reason why I took him is because he wanted the toy.
What I got?
What have you got, baby?
I think I got.
Surprisingly, this doesn't make me hungry even one bit.
That? What is it?
I don't know, Baba. You'll have to open it, okay? Eat your veggie wrap first, please.
You got strawberry, chocolate, grapes,
Blueberries.
and blueberries,
Yeah. Plain flour.
Beef flour,
Baking sugar.
baking sugar,
This is baking powder.
baking powder, ice cream.
Yes, and crepes because Caleb loves crepes. I'm gonna make pancakes out of these ingredients, and the crepes he wanted as well because he's obsessed with crepes. But yes, we are ready. But I went to the gym today for like 3 hours, and I can only smell this really because I'll gain everything that I've lost back today. Okay, so in the blending bowl, I've combined every single bit of the ingredients, and then you blitz it. It's as simple as that, and then you just use some butter in the pan to cook the pancakes. I will leave it in the description of the video as well, so you guys can make these pancakes. They're the fluffy pancakes, so they're the American pancakes. They're not the thin kind of crepe style ones. Okay, so now I'm blitzing the pancakes. I should put this on. Oh wait, I don't want it to go everywhere. It's just stuck in the top. Okay, anyway, just blitz this, okay? However way you do it. You could either do it with a wooden spoon if you don't have a machine to do it, or a whisk. That's more like it. Okay, so it should be this consistency basically. So I've sprayed the pan with the Fry Light spray, just maybe 3 sprays, and then this is a little tip: use a jug, so it's much better than using a spoon to pour in the pancake. This is Caleb's, so just let it cook on one side then until it bubbles. It's a medium heat, a little bit higher than medium, I think. When you see these bubbles, it's ready to flip. 1, 2, 3. There we go. And that's it. Cook on both sides. Should be a bit more golden than this, so wait until it gets golden, then I'll show you guys what it looks like. This Caleb's one done. A bit of a mess, but hey ho. Okay guys, so I just found out that this thing basically, Fry Light, it has alcohol in it. I just read it, so I had to throw Caleb's away and redo it using clover, which is fine. Second attempt. So I put the butter around and then I just wish it around basically, and then I put the pancake mix in like this. Just showing you guys again with how I do it with the butter now.
This is hot. Hot, Mum.
Okay, Mama.
It's so hot.
There we go.
And this is the finished pancake.
And that's the pancake done. Put them up.
Okay.
Yes.
There you go.